So we got our 2015 Camaro here. Got to make a new cold air intake for the Whipple. The customer didn't like the previous one, so what I'm going to do is get some tight radius bends. We'll get them chopped up, welded together, and make them a nice new intake for his car.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.